In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn a task into a subtask in Asana. This is really useful when you realize that something you created as a standalone task actually belongs under a larger piece of work. Instead of deleting and recreating everything, Asana lets you convert that task into a subtask in just a few clicks and keep all your details, comments, and attachments together. First, make sure you're logged into your Asana workspace and that you're in the project where your task lives. Find the task you want to move. This might be something that you originally thought was its own item, but now see it fits better as a smaller part of a bigger task. Click on that task to open it in the right-hand panel. You should now see all the details for that task, like the description, assignee, due date, and any subtasks it might already have. At the top right of this task window, look for the three dots icon, sometimes called the More Actions menu. It's usually next to the task title and other quick actions. Go ahead and click on those three dots. This opens a drop-down menu with a variety of options for managing your task. In this menu, look for the option labeled Convert to. When you hover over or click on Convert to, you'll see additional choices appear. From those options, select Subtask. This tells Asana that you want this existing task to become a subtask instead of a main task. As soon as you choose Subtask, Asana will ask you where this subtask should live. You'll see a field where you can type the name of the parent task. This is the larger task that will contain the one you're converting. Start typing the name of that parent task carefully. Asana will show you a list of matching tasks based on what you type. When you see the correct parent task in the list, click on it to select it. Take a moment to double-check you're choosing the right one, especially if you have similar task names in your project. Once you've selected the parent, Asana will move your original task and place it underneath that parent as a subtask. Your new subtask will keep its information, like assignee, due date, and description, so you don't lose your work. At this point, you can open the parent task to confirm that everything looks good and make any final adjustments to the subtask details if needed.